Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the source. Open Settings and check location permissions for installed apps, then go straight to developer options. Once there, either clear the selected mock location app or disable developer options entirely to remove the mock location toggle. Next, uninstall any GPS spoofing app you find. If an app is system level, note its package name for later. Make sure to reboot after uninstalling, so the OS can drop any active spoofing processes and reload real location services. Once done with app removals, focus on the fused location stack. Clear cache and storage for Google Play services and the Google Maps app, then reboot to force a fresh handshake with location providers. Make sure location mode is set to high accuracy and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning so the device can use multiple signals. If a spoofing package remains as a system app, use ADB from a computer to uninstall it for the current user. This removes persistent system-level spoofers without rooting. You finish by verifying real location. Open Google Maps and a GPS test utility to confirm satellites and accurate coordinates. Make sure any VPNs or network proxies are disabled because they can route or mask location data, and check that no companion apps on wearables are forcing coordinates. If location still misreports, remove account sync for location providers and reboot again. If all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove hidden spoofers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.